How to buy OKX USDT. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase that crypto. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top at the search bar, search for USDT. So it will pop up here and simply tap on it. So this is the graph or the chart available. So as you can see, these are the indicators that are showing. Here on the top, you'll be able to see overview, data, and even feeds. So these are the things or the indicators in order to which we can buy. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this trade option. Simply tap on trade. Now you can buy it. Here there are some limits that are available and you can select and simply tap on buy USDT and you will be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.